Joanna is a first-time job seeker who awaits her graduation. She took advantage of the job fair of Dole NCR at a mall in Pasig City, which was nearby, and hoping to get a shot in the HR department on Independence Day.
Of course, nakakakaba po siya kasi po, ito na po yung real world kasi nasanay kami na puro aral. Pero alam ko pong, ito pong real world na to is magiging challenging at first kasi po fresh graduate po kami. Pero alam ko din pong magiging masaya kasi marami pong opportunity para po sa amin.
More than 100 applicants were hired on the spot at the job fair held by Dole Camanaba. According to Dole Camanaba, more than 4,000 local jobs and more than 200 jobs abroad are offered to applicants. In the job fair conducted in Manila, around 4,000 job vacancies from 26 companies are open to job seekers. Among the jobs offered include housekeeper, cashier, office assistant, clerk, and many more. Overall, according to Dole NCR, more than 50,000 job vacancies were up for grabs in the Kalayaan Job Fair in Metro Manila. More than 500 employers, local and overseas, participated in 11 job sites in different malls in NCR. According to Dole NCR Regional Director Sara Bueno Mirasol, job mismatch remains challenge.
It's a long-standing challenge ito. Kami po sa ating kagawaran, tinitingnan po natin kasi may mismatch, ibig sabihin may mga skills din na kailangan ng mga employers. For NCR, it's a service majority or major sector dito. Ang ating mga key employment generators is a service sector.
Also on Independence Day, the DMW conducted its own job fair in a mall in Quezon City, which many participated in, especially those seeking a shot in working abroad. To include Rommel from Isabela, an electrician, and if accepted, it would be his first time to work on a ship and abroad.
Actually po, isa din po sa financial para po makatulong sa pamilya. Kasi based doon sa trabaho ngayon, medyo mababa rin kasi mga offers at mga sinasahod. So, kailangan ko pong itry sumubok na mag-abroad.
More than 7,200 job offers here from 23 recruitment agencies, land-based and sea-based.
Ang nakikita ko syempre nandiyan pa rin yung mga traditional destinations. Ang Pilipino kasi ang Pilipino manggagawa kasi talented, may kalidad, at hindi mapapagkaila na may global demand, no, for the quality of Filipino workers. Ang main purpose din ng job fair ay pagpapakilala ng dissenting overseas na trabaho in contrast to illegal jobs and illegal recruitment and human trafficking.
The department reminded applicants to beware against illegal recruitment agencies, which often do not have an office, that ask for money immediately or communicate only in and through social media. Rod Lagusad from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.